Hi, this is Dr. Cooper, and this is a podcast for the ENG091 Fundamentals of Writing class. This is the Week 5 weekly podcast. Okay, well, I didn't get to posting this podcast on Saturday, but that's what I decided is your responsibility if you want to work on a Saturday. I got wrapped up in watching football, and you know what? It's my weekend. So if you want to work on the weekends, I'm going to throw that back at you, and you can work on the weekend. But I'm going to continue to do the podcast on Monday, just because it's too much of a hardship for me to do that, especially when all you have to do is click on modules and go into the Week 5 folder, and you can see clearly what it is that you have to do. So if you need a reminder on a Saturday, you're going to have to figure that one out on your own. I'm only going to give you a reminder on Monday. Okay, so what do you need to do before you come to class on Tuesday? Well, one thing only. You're going to write a rough draft of your exemplification paragraph using the outline that you did last week. And then you're going to post that paragraph on Connect Writing. Okay? So the way that you do that is you can go ahead and click on the assignment itself, paragraph essay 2, if you want a reminder of what it is that you're writing. And this is just going to be the rough draft. So we've gone through these processes, the writing process. We've done pre-writing, we've done our outline, and right now we are on the rough draft stage. And then we're going to do peer review starting on Tuesday. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and go over to Connect. And remember, you can always get to Connect just by quickly going to the modules and clicking on the McGraw-Hill Connect Writing. Okay? And once you click on that, you're going to end up over in Connect. Go ahead and click the Connect button here. And now you are in Connect. So what you'll do is scroll down to Week 5. You'll see that you have some reading that we'll get to tomorrow. But for now, you have paragraph 2, exemplification. And notice how it says multiple tasks and due dates. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And here is the list of items that you're going to be working on. All right, so for today, by the end of today, you need to create your first draft. Then you will have 4 days to do peer reviews, and we'll talk about this in class tomorrow. After you do peer reviews, you'll review the comments from the draft that your peers gave you, and then you'll write a final submission, which is your final paragraph essay due on the 23rd, which is Friday. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing this week. So to submit your paper, go ahead and click Write First Draft. And you can do one of two things. You can type right into the box, or you can cut and paste. So this is the assignment, just a reminder of what it is that you're doing. Remember, we're starting with the rough draft, then we'll do peer review, then we'll do final draft. You'll see that if you get lost, there's a My Tasks that'll pop up for you to show you what you've completed and what you have to do next. Okay? So once you read that, say, okay, I got it. And now you have your box. So this is what it'll look like. If this gets in the way, you can always close it. But you can go ahead and just start typing in here, typing in your essay. But what I advise that you do is go ahead and type your essay in your Word program. And then when you're finished, you want to highlight it, or a better way to do it is just to use your control keys. Use the Control A for copy all, and then Control C to copy it. Then when you come back here, you're going to use a Control V. Okay? And then that'll post your essay in. All right, now don't forget your heading, which will be your name,
the class, the assignment, and the date. I don't even know what the day is.
Okay? And then there's your paragraph. I better indent this since it is a paragraph, right? Okay, so once you've done that, all you have to do is make sure you hit submit. If you hit save, then you're only saving it for yourself and no one else can see it. So you want to hit submit. All right, once you've hit submit, you're ready to move on to your peer reviews, and we'll do that tomorrow in class. All right, so that's it for this podcast. Good luck, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.